Hi everyone, my name is Professor Robert. Our today's lesson 3 introduces us to union and intersection of sets. And that is how to combine sets using union and intersection. Let's dive into it. Union. Union means every element in a given set A or set B or both of them both of them, and the union between A and B is symbolized as A with an exaggerated U, B. For example, if set A is populated with elements A, E, and I, and set B is equal to C, D, and E, then set A union B will be equal to all the elements in set A or set B or both of them without a repetition. Therefore, the elements of set A union B would be A, E, I, C, and D. We don't have to repeat the E in set B because it's already written down. And this is graphically represented as, so set A union set B will be represented graphically as this one being set A and this one being set B. In the middle here, we write what we find in both the sets A and B, and that's element E. Element E is found in both. And if element E is found in both, then in set A, we remain with A and I. And in set B, we only remain with C and D. And we draw a second circle around the union because two sets are coming together. And with all the elements listed in the diagram without a repetition. Okay, now I want us to go on to the intersection. Now, intersection means only what is in both sets. So if we are to get our considered sets before, set A is equal to A, E, I, and set B is equal to C, D, and E. then set A intersection set B will be represented with a low-lying exaggerated C. And this would be represented by elements that exist in both sets. Both sets. A is not in B. E is in B. And so we write E. I is not in B. C is not in set A. And D is not in set A. So set A intersection set B will give us this set finally. And we represent graphically set A intersection set B as this is set A and this is set B. And we just write an E there. So this area here is what represents the intersection. Intersection of sets A and B. Okay, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye now.